American manufacturing, once a symbol of decline, is suddenly the hottest ticket in politics. Everyone is talking about bringing back jobs. After years of jobs going overseas, now everyone's talking about reshoring and Made in America. It's a movement gaining momentum. This isn't just nostalgia. It's a strategic shift sparked by the Trump administration's tariffs. The conversation changed. Domestic supply chains became a national security issue. Now, the focus is on helping American companies grow. The goal is to create an environment where businesses can thrive. Enter the Small Business Administration, poised for a major budget boost. This injection of funds could be a game changer. The idea, if we want U.S. companies to compete globally, they need real capital. Investing in cutting-edge equipment is essential. And it all comes down to one big change that could reshape the future of American manufacturing. The Small Business Administration is proposing a significant change for manufacturers. They want to double the maximum loan amount from $5 million to $10 million. Industrial equipment is expensive, and $5 million doesn't stretch far enough for modern manufacturing. Global competitors are investing in automation, and U.S. businesses need to keep up. The new cap is about giving small businesses the fuel they need to invest in technologies and expand. It's about empowering them to compete effectively and drive innovation. This fosters a resurgence in American manufacturing and creates a more robust industrial base. Imagine you're a manufacturer feeling the constraints of your current capacity. Production is maxed out, and you're losing customers. You need to invest to grow. A $10 million loan isn't just more money. It's a game changer, fueling significant expansion and innovation. It's a ticket to real transformation. You could finally afford that robotic system, dramatically increasing your output. Automate production, streamlining your processes, and boost efficiency, optimizing every aspect of your operation. Or, you could buy a competitor, consolidating your position, gaining market share and control over your supply chain. This levels the playing field with big corporations, giving you the resources to compete on a larger scale. It also means more options for owners looking to retire, ensuring the legacy of your business continues with someone who shares your passion. The result? A more dynamic, competitive manufacturing sector. $10 million lets you think long-term, allowing you to invest in the future. Expansion, increasing your capacity, R&D, developing new products. Doubling loan limits isn't risk-free. Over-leveraging could sink businesses. Banks decide who gets the money, and they'll stick to safe bets. Unchecked lending can backfire. What should business owners do now? Get your financials spotless. Build a rock-solid business plan. Start relationships with lenders now. Be ready before the money cannon fires. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with Prime Exit's M&A advisory. For more insights and expert advice on healthcare M&A, and for a free valuation of your company, contact us today at valuations@pexits.com.